I am pleased to see that justice has been done in court and Christopher Cooper has received a life sentence, having been found guilty of murdering Kelvin Evans, who was 64 years of age at the time of his death. Christopher Cooper's decision to punch Kelvin cost Kelvin Evans his life and has done untold damage to the lives of his family and friends. Kelvin Evans should have been able to return home safely to his family following a night out in Gorseinon, Swansea on a Sunday night in May last year. Instead, his family will never be able to forget that night. I hope that they receive some comfort from the sentencing and that they can now begin to grieve the loss of Kelvin. Taking drugs and drinking too much alcohol affects people's decision-making, and there could be severe consequences for making poor decisions when under the influence of drink and/or drugs. It can very easily and quickly make people vulnerable to become a victim or a perpetrator. Christopher Cooper took another man's life and now faces many years in prison as a result of the decisions that he made that Sunday night. As in this case, and so many others in the past have shown, just one punch can have a completely life-changing impact upon both the perpetrator and the victim. In a split second, someone can become a killer and someone can be killed. If you ever find yourself in this situation, myself and my colleagues urge you, please, to just think about the potential consequences of assaulting somebody, take a step back and walk away. I urge people to think before you act and just walk away.